Alright, so good afternoon everyone. Isang magandang hapon po muli sa ating lahat. And of course, the long wait is finally over. But before anything else, syempre, before we start the program, nais ko lang po sana nga matinig lang kung gaano kalakas ba ang energy ng ating mga guests this afternoon. So with that, maaari po ba akong makarinig po muna mula sa inyong lahat ng isang malakas na palakpak para may kasamang sigawan dyan! Woo! There you go. Ayan, ganyan dapat tayo kasaya at kataas ang energy for this afternoon because of course, we are all gathered here to witness and also to celebrate a special event for our birthday girl. Diba? So muli, good afternoon everyone and welcome aboard here at the Orchard in Malolos, Bulacan. And as I've said shortly, we are all gathered here to witness and also to celebrate the 7th birthday of our birthday girl this afternoon na si Martina. And with that, so of course, let's now officially begin our program. So may I request each and everyone to please rise. Tayo na po tayong lahat because of course, we are about to start the program first with an opening prayer to be led by our prayer leader na si Ma'am Cindy Santiago. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, before we welcome her on stage, muli, iniimbitahan ko bawat isa na magsipagtayo na po tayo so that we can welcome our birthday girl this afternoon. Alright? So, labungan muna natin ulit siya isang masigapong palakpakan once I call her on stage. Alright? And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome her on stage, our birthday celebrator for this afternoon, the one and only Martina! Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our birthday girl. Let's give it up to Martina! Filled with innocence and memories worth remembering. Every day is a different page, a story to unfold. We're young and we're grown. And through the trials we face, the races that we're running, we always keep the faith in who we are. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to our beautiful birthday celebrant, Martina! It's a story to unfold. Every young Once again, everyone, our birthday girl, Martina, on stage. And everyone, thank you so much. Muli, we can now take our seat and we can now sit down as we continue on with the program proper for Martina's 7th birthday. Alright? And of course, muli, isang magandang hapon po sa ating lahat and good afternoon, everyone. And before we continue on with the program for this afternoon, please allow me to introduce myself first. Muli po, mapag-alang araw po sa ating lahat. And my name is Rose Riza from Boitea Event Specialist, and it's such an honor to be your host for this afternoon. Alright? DJ? And dahil dyan, let's now proceed right away with the traditions we are about to encounter right now, starting off with our 7 roses. So sa mga kasali po sa ating 7 roses, please be aware that you are up next, and I'll be calling your names one by one on stage to dance Martina, and do not forget to grab a rose para ibibigay niyo po sa kanya. We can take our seats, everyone, and let's start off our first tradition, our 7 rose. Hi, baby girl, come over. You will have some of the gentlemen will dance for you. Okay, well for them, okay? So of course, let's start off our 7 roses with Lolo Armando. Palakpakan naman po natin. Once again, let's give it up to Lolo Armando and Martina. sila. Thank you so much, sir. And of course, next up for our 7 roses is none other than Lola Doming. Palakpakan po natin. Alright, next up for our 7 roses, may I call on Tito Christian. Palakpakan naman po natin. For our 7 roses, once again, Tito Christian. And to proceed with our 7 roses, may I call on Tito Aris. Palakpakan naman po natin. Up next to dance Martina on stage is none other than Tito Dennis. Palakpakan naman natin once again Tito Dennis for our 7 roses. Next up, may I call on Tito Glenn. Palakpakan naman po natin for our 7 roses. Muli, Tito Glenn. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, last but not the least, to complete our 7 roses this afternoon is the one and only father of our birthday girl. Let's give it up to Daddy Jerome.
I'm giving you away, but I'm not letting go. Memories that flood my mind of the little girl I know. Once upon a the time you held my hand.